Greetings from Erstavik, Tyresö. It is almost 6 p.m. and I'm catching the last rays of sunshine on this nice nude beach here in the nature that I have visited a few times this summer, and now I realize that this might be one of my last times here as the day is getting shorter. And this one is facing north east, so yeah, you can see that in maybe 10 to 15 minutes there won't be any sun here, which will not matter if it's a cloudy day, so I might come here on a cloudy evening. But it is 11th of August and beach the number 119 this year in Sweden, and I will go for a 15 minutes swim here in the Baltic Sea. This is overlooking Erstavik's Baltic on the other side, which you see is almost completely empty, and passing by here close by is Tyresö Strandbadet, around 1.5 kilometers in that direction. So before we go in, let's check the temperature first. You can see here it's gonna be sunny when I will swim out, obviously, but here on this rock the sun has already gone for today, and I am so happy. Oh, the water seems very cold but also very clean at the same time. It's always like that. When it is warmer, it usually gets warmer because of the algae and obviously the sun that is generating the growth of it. So my hand is very cold. Oh my god, it is only 15 degrees Celsius. I have no idea when did the sea over here get so cold. It was 18 last week, I think, but it depends on the winds, how they're going, so it's gonna be challenging to stay for 15 minutes, but I will definitely do my best. You can see here it is sunny while standing, so let's then go in further in to have a swim here and another beach vlog adventure. Yes, what else? 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 15 in the sea. This is the coldest it has been since May, I think, June actually, and it's gonna be quite refreshing on the other end. So yep, that's right. Let's then dig in. Oh, very, very refreshing. Refreshing indeed. Luckily, I have been trained in colder waters, so this will be nice anyway. Okay, so ready, set, and go. Ooh. Let's go further towards the sun. That's right. That's right. It is cold. It is cold, but I say cold, but cold. And the sea has something different attached to it. It's always much better in the sea, even though it's colder. In the lake flat yesterday it was 20 degrees Celsius. So yeah, enjoy this wonderful view from one of my go-to spots this summer, and yeah, it's quite nice now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be swimming for 14 more minutes, but I will do my best, believe me. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and it's time for another join in for another which adventure on my channel, which adventures with Chris.